Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to add tags on Yubo. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Yubo application. Then tap on Friends icon at the bottom of your screen. Tap on Discover option. Then tap on Explore Tags option. Now pick a category. To add the tag, just tap on the Add button. You can search the tag too. And this is how you can add tags on Yubo. Thanks for watching Online Help Guide. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.